have Yeezy slides dropping. This is a super important release. Profit margins are going to be great. I prepared like crazy. First set of websites that will be releasing this will be in 3 minutes. However, I'm already getting a ton of errors, more so than usual. So I really hope I get at least one from foot sites, because looking at the stock numbers for foot sites, it's not impossible, but it should be pretty tough. Hopefully we can get at least one from foot sites right now. What the heck, dude? My proxies. Oh no, this is horrible. I was going down at 25k delays. What the? Yo, I'm through manual. What is happening? Hang on. It put me back in the queue. Never mind. Oh, I got one. I got one on Foot Locker on Kodai. Same thing. I got a second one on Kodai. Holy f***, I got 3 on JB. Took stock. Yeah, what? Okay, I think we got 21 checkouts so far. It could be more. There were a lot of footsite orders that were not logged, so I'm super happy about the results so far. Anyways, my Yeezy supply setup is going to be a bit crazy. Well, at least crazier than usual. I don't think I'm ever gonna get to the level of some slot runners, but you know, I am scaling up my setup more and more and more, and I actually gotta add a couple more bots to it right now, so I'm gonna get to that. Alright, I think I am all ready to go. Now, this setup is probably the beefiest Yeezy supply setup I have ever done. Despite the rumors, I don't actually get everything for free, so I did have to invest a lot of money into my setup. So we got 4 Tohrus, 2 Velox, 2 Meks, a Wrath, a Whatbot, Dash, and Cage. So basically anything under a 15 clip on Yeezy supply would be a failure. Even 20 pairs would be just good enough. I'm all set up. The only thing left to do is to start the tasks. Yeah, I got a size 6 on Tohru too. Got 2 on Tohru. Let me check.
Oh my god,
Oh, got another one. Why in Mek, like, I card it and then it gets uncarded, and then it gets carded. That drop was horrendous. Holy crap. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Let me check. Let me do the math. Say I make $100 on each. Yeah, basically non-profit organization for today. However, I do have to admit, 7 is better than 0. Imagine I ran everything that I ran and I had 0 checkouts. What went wrong? I can't give specifics because I don't want to teach anyone how to actually stop botters, but here's the analogy that I'm gonna make. Think of my entire botting setup as a person, and the thing that went wrong was the legs getting cut off. So essentially anything on top will come crumbling down, and unfortunately that's kind of what happened, which caused the vast majority of my setup to basically not work. When I mess up on my setup, I admit to it, but in this case, this was completely out of my control. I believe a few more websites dropping at 10 a.m. These are going to be on Shopify though, so I'm expecting these to be very, very tough. Also, I haven't hit on Shopify in a while, so I'm probably not going to get anything this time around. But we will give it a try. It doesn't hurt to try, I guess, right? We have about 20 minutes left before the next few releases. Let's get into it. Actually put it up. Processing out of stock, bro. So here are the total amount of checkouts that I got for the day. Not super bad, however Yeezy supply obviously could have gone a lot better. Yeezy supply orders aren't gonna get cancelled. None of my footsite orders got cancelled, which is fantastic news. I had a terrible cancel rate last time around. However, the JD Sports orders, honestly, I'm not sure what happened with them. For JD Sports and Finish Line, usually if you get an email confirmations, that means your order went through and it won't get cancelled, or you're just gonna get a cancel email without any order confirmation email, and that basically just means that you've exceeded like your 1 order per address limit. In this case, I didn't get either of them, so I'm starting to think that those orders are ghost orders. This is actually my first time getting this many ghost orders from JD Sports. Usually they are pretty okay with it. If I get that success notification on the bot, usually it goes through, but I didn't get a single email, so I'm not sure what's going on. I still have some pending charges which didn't drop off yet. Hopefully this is going to be one of those cases where it just shows up to your doorstep, but I'm kind of doubting it. As of right now, I'm going to go with all of them got canceled, but hopefully 1 or 2 actually get shipped out. Gotta just hope for the best. A few of the slides came in the mail today. Joy said this is the booger/snot colorway for the Yeezy slides. I can kind of understand that. Personally, I think they're pretty dope, pretty unique color. One thing that I did want to point out is the way Yeezy Supply ships their shoes. Like, look at this. This is just ridiculous. They use a box that would normally fit like 3 shoes, and then they put 1 shoe inside of it. Just takes up a lot of space, and also I feel like it's a good way to get your shoe boxes damaged, and they don't even have any bubble wrap or anything like that. So yeah, it's a little bit weird. It doesn't bother me all that much, but still, like, they could probably just use regular shoe boxes. At least they don't ship it out in a plastic bag like some other retailers. But anyways, that is about it for this video. It was an okayish drop. Could have been worse, so I'm not really going to complain that much. But hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next one.